minute I sit down, the neighbor wants to use power tools. Dale, no power tools. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. I am back today with a get ready with me video. I'm talking the hair, the makeup, and the outfit. I just like to see the entire transformation from start to finish. So that's why your girl's looking a little crazy right now, because I figured, you know, I'm not even gonna go ahead and try to look cute and try to get this hair together, because I feel like that takes away from the point of the video, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna stop babbling and let's get into the video. All right, so you guys know I like to start with eyes. You guys know I like using concealer, and today I'm using the Milani. This is the Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. I've been loving this. If you guys are looking for an affordable concealer, definitely check out the Milani. It's super, super creamy. I like the shade because I am self-tanned, and I like to set my eyes with, lately I've been just using a powder foundation. This one is from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Full Coverage Pressed Powder Foundation. Any type of skin tone type of shade, you know, will do just fine, like an eyeshadow or whatnot. But I don't know, I've been liking using this. I just feel like my shadows don't go on so splotchy and chalky. I really get nervous trying out colorful eye looks. I'm really trying to do it, but I get really scared doing it because I don't know. I feel like with neutral colors and neutral shades, you can kind of fix mistakes, but I feel like with color, if you make a mistake, I don't know if you can get away with it. I've really been enjoying the James Charles palette, so I'm going in with the shade Punch Me, which is right here. I just want a very light wash of this. I don't want to do too much because I want the orange to kind of be the focus. So I'm just literally just buffing this into my crease area, not winging it out. I'm not doing anything like that. I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing liner or not, because when I'm doing colorful eye makeup looks, I feel like I don't want to take away from that color, so I kind of just keep it with no liner. This is the Morphe 35B palette. Next shade, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This one's gonna go a little bit more all over the lid, and this is just to get that transition going. So you can go all over the lid with this one. I like that for a light wash. I'm now going into that same Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in this shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack this all over the lid. I don't want it super crazy. I just feel like it's just so pretty. And I'm gonna take a little bit more of that, just slightly buff it up into the transition colors. Look how pretty that looks though. It's just soft, just a one wash of color. I usually don't do things like this, but I've just been on Pinterest, scrolling through, and on Instagram. I'm it just looks so pretty, just one color and just wash all out. I'm gonna do pretty dramatic lashes though. We'll come back once we do everything else and finish up, because I think I'm gonna drag this on the lower lash line. For the under eyes, I have very dry under eyes as well, a lot of darkness. Again, I use my Banana Bright Eye Cream, also from Ole Henriksen. I love these two. I love their skincare. It's really good stuff, and I feel like it actually makes a difference. I do feel like my under eyes gotten a little bit brighter. I'm going in with my e.l.f. This is the Poreless Putty Primer. So I like to take some of that. And I always just go on the sides of my face here. But lately, I've been bringing it out just a little bit further than I normally do. I don't really put anything here, just because I feel like I don't need to. I just feel like everybody kind of focuses on this, when you're talking to people. And I always do this. I always go in to put my lip stuff on after I put my moisturizer and everything in my hands. I can't get this damn thing open. But you guys, I love this. This is my 5th one of this. And now I'm let me see, I got a paper towel here. Wrap it up in this and I hate this. Why do I do this to myself? Alicia, I got it. I actually got this new, guys. So it's not new, it's just new to me. This is the Big Ego Tarte Mascara. Oh my God. I am loving the packaging on that. I've never looked at this before. That is super bright. The lights are washing it out. It's like it matches my nails. This is such a bright neon. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to coat these lashes. I always tilt my head back. What? Wait a second. Why is this like looking really good? That's a really nice mascara. I'm gonna have to play around with this on no lash days. All right, so let's go in and I want to think about what lashes I want to use. So I think I'm going to use, guys, I have so many styles of the Sumptuous Beauty lashes. I'm telling you, if you guys are looking for nice, faux, mink, long-lasting, good quality lashes, you have to check them out. But these ones are in the style Sumptuous, which I don't think I used with you guys on camera at all. I think I used them one time before. So they are in the style Sumptuous, and they look like this. I already trimmed them. And now, while those are drying, let's go ahead and let's get our foundation on. I went, if you guys haven't seen my full face of Dollar General makeup, the Believe Beauty, I'll put the thumbnail here. I fell in love with their foundation. So if you want like a full kind of first impressions on the foundation, then definitely check out that video. Get this on. You guys know I love my e.l.f. sponge. Super soft, super affordable, super awesome. Just gonna get this on so we can put those lashes on before they dry and I forget about them like I always do. But this foundation just wore so nicely. It did not break me out. I love the finish. It's not too matte. It's not too dewy. It's literally so nice. And you guys, this foundation is $5. See, we're a little bit closer to my body now. Let's go ahead and conceal and everything so we can finish up the lower lash line. I had mentioned earlier I have a new concealer I have not tried. It's the e.l.f. It's the 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I got the shade Tan Walnut, hoping this works. So I'm going in. Woo! That's a big freaking applicator. Okay, that's... My God, this takes up my whole under eye. Ooh! It's really creamy though. Okay, I think the shade isn't too bad. I might... I don't know. I hear good things. I hear good things. What I need to do is get my filler touch up, because I keep talking about it and I'm not doing anything about it. It's not bad. See how you can just still see that that like hollowness under there? That's why I got the filler in the first place, because they were like probably like 4 times worse than they are now. This eye doesn't look bad, but that's not my bad eye. This is the bad eye with the pretty bad bag. Okay, let me go in. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of the Milani Conceal and Perfect. Like right in there. I feel like we may got a little bit more coverage, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to go in with the Fit Me powder. That was more than I usually go in with. I feel like the powder definitely makes a difference once I put it on. I just feel like I definitely get more coverage when I go in with that powder to set. Okay. All right, so let's finish up the lower lash line. Orange that we used all over the lid, which was this one. On there. I'm gonna bring it down pretty low too. That's so funny. Okay. Pack that on and blend it. Oh, that's pretty. I'm loving that. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, let's do the brows. I'm not going to switch that up, so I'm just going to fast forward through that. You guys have seen it, I feel like plenty of times, and it's just kind of feel like a boring process. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and my brow is in dark brown from ABH. I'm going to finish up the skin. I'm going back in with the Superstay, the Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation, and I like to, if you're new here, I like to set right here. I feel like this foundation doesn't necessarily dry down to like a super matte finish. So I don't want anything to go on like splotchy there or anything like that. So I always like to set it before I bronze and blush. To bronze, I'm going in with my Becca here. But I just like how that looks. And again, right here. I concentrate a lot of it right in here, and then I just drag it just a little bit down. Pretty much just where the sun naturally hits ya. Blush, I do have a new blush palette I want to try. I've never tried any blushes from LA Girl, and I was at CVS the other day, and this is what it looks like. I did open it up just to kind of see what we were working with. This is what it looks like, and again, it's from LA Girl. It's the Island Hottie Blush Palette. This is definitely it just looks more pink on camera, which I'm a little bit disappointed about, but these two definitely have more of an orange undertone. So it's this one right here, and I'm going to take a little bit of that on like a dual fiber brush. So let's see, I've never used their blushes before. It's not bad. Actually, you know, I'm going to go and mix the two. Why not? Let's just mix them. Definitely a shimmer, so it's not a matte. You can see a little bit of glow it gave me. I did like a couple breakouts there. That's pretty though. I'm liking it. I'm also going to take more of that Fit Me powder, and I just want to kind of clean up a little bit here. So I really just go in, put it on, and buff it away. Let's go ahead and set our face. That way we can do our highlights, our lower lash mascara, and our lip. This one you guys know I've been hooked on. I need to find like another one to try because I just feel like I'm hooked on this. All right, so I'm just going to set and finish everything up. I just love that one. I want to go in highlights, and for that I'm going back in because if you guys saw that Dollar General, you guys know I was a huge fan of this highlight and contour palette, and this highlight was super gorgeous. So I'm going to go back in with that. So just have to bring it up and around. Okay, I'm going to do my lower lash mascara. This was nice on my lower lashes with the Believe Beauty. I really liked this one. See, I'm liking that. I really like that lower lash mascara. I feel like I actually want to do a little bit of an inner corner highlight. This is what I talked about earlier. It came in my BoxyCharm. It is the Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadow in Iced Latte. Oh, snap. Can you see that? That's kind of nice. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Oh, this formula? So to line my lips, I'm going in with the NYX. This is their lip liner in Pumpkin, I think. Yeah, Pumpkin. This is, again, the NYX. I love their soft matte lip creams. I literally have like every single one like here on my vanity. I love the formula of these. I know I use these a lot, but I like it because it's not like a true liquid formula, but it's not like a lip gloss either. It's kind of like in between. This is in Morocco. So guys, this is what the makeup looks like. keeping the orange, corally vibes. See, now I wish my hair was done, but we're gonna get there. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of a close-up of what the makeup looks like. These lashes though, they're really nice, but they're heavy. Like you can, like when you have these on, you know you have lashes on, but they look like so pretty though. And I hope they look really nice on camera as they do in person because they're like gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same hair style that I did in my last video using this guy. So if you guys haven't seen my first impression / tutorial with the hair waver here that I got off of Amazon, I'll put the thumbnail right here. You guys can go ahead and I'll link it down below as well if you guys want to check that out. But because I did a more in-depth tutorial and review and first impressions using this guy, I'm just going to fast forward through this and put some music on, and I will see you guys at the end for the outfit. So the hair is done. Like I said, this is what it kind of looks like. Hopefully you guys can see and get an idea. I like it to be very piecey and kind of inconsistent and not like super perfect. So let's go ahead, go pick an outfit and wrap up this look. So guys, that concludes today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Get Ready With Me. Let me know down below if you guys like these types of videos. I don't see them circulating around YouTube like as much as I used to. And I swear they were like some of my favorite videos to watch. And, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoyed and want to be part of our family here on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.